guys! Okay, so for today's video, I'm gonna be filming the TikTok food trends viral. That was the worst thing I've ever said. For today's video, I'm gonna be filming the trying TikTok viral food trends video. I'm gonna be trying 4 recipes. 4 of the viral things that you've seen on TikTok. So here's what I wanna do. I wanna do the little pancakes, whipped chocolate, because I don't drink coffee. The Oreo cake, but I don't have Oreos, so I might have to do that like another day and then just include it. And then I wanna make mac and cheese that's microwavable. Okay, so let's just get started. Basically, here's the deal. My sister came down here and she made pancake batter already. We just use this Auntie Jemima. We love family. You just add water to this. I'm gonna be heating up the pan and cooking a bunch of little pancakes and putting them into a bowl because I think it's a great idea. And a lot of people invest in likes on those videos. So. Our kitchen is a mess, just letting you know. It's a mess. On the TikTok, they put it from a little bag. I feel like if you were to use one of these tiny little spoons, this is not even a teaspoon, it's so small. That should do the same thing. I'm gonna put this pan on medium low and we're gonna get cooking. I wanna make them perfect circles. Sorry you can't see me, I'm really tall. That's not true. So I'll just do close-ups of me putting it on. I don't know how long it takes to cook a pancake. No, it's definitely not cooked. I don't know what I'm thinking. That is not a circle. Okay, so I'm almost done filling up this pan. Okay, so I'm gonna let them cook for 5 minutes. I think flapjacks. Sorry. Maybe I should put the fire on higher. You know what it is? I don't think I buttered the pan. Okay, so I took my pancakes and I put them in my bowl. Don't really want to make any more. Camille's making more. I'm gonna add some syrup and try them. They already taste kind of good. Kind of just like them eating plain. This bowl makes them look like I didn't make any, but they were literally covering the entire pan. They smell really good.
You smell really good.
You smell like a rat. They taste like pancakes. I think these are really good, but you could do the same thing if you just make a big pancake and then cut it up into really small pieces. This took a lot of time to put on the pan. I think it's a good idea, and if you want to take some time, go ahead, but it tastes the same. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna be making is whipped hot chocolate. Even though it's served over cold milk, I like cold hot chocolate better. So I have sugar and salt. Nesquik. They use Swiss Miss and I do have Swiss Miss, but I feel like this would be better. Okay, so I don't want too much, so I'm just gonna add I don't know, what I think is the appropriate amount of everything. And I'm gonna add more liquid as I go. Whisk. I already put too much liquid in here and this is not gonna whip. Okay, I'm just adding more of the other things. Now it's chunky, the weensiest little bit of milk. It's really gritty. Oh, now I've added too much liquid. Ow, my arm hurts so bad. I think it's pretty whipped. What do you guys think? Comment below if I should keep whipping or if I should stop. It's pre-recorded. Oh shoot, yeah, there's something going on with my muscle. Don't want to strain it, so I guess I'm gonna have to stop right now. But I don't think it's a whipped cream. Dylan's finished the pancakes. How are the pancakes, Dylan?
They were good.
Yeah.
Okay, so the strawberry ones are kind of acting up, actually.
Strawberry what? Come on, how the heck did you make strawberry pancakes?
You know exactly how.
She put Nesquik strawberry milk powder in the pancake batter.
I like the way you said above ground.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna take a spoon then and just plop it on. I think it just needs to be more aerated. It's more like chocolate syrup. Going right down into it. All right, this one was a fail then. But I don't know
You're
what
supposed to put it on top of the milk.
I am putting it on top. I don't know what's wrong with the mixture. This did not work. But I have this cool little latte art going on here. That's good. It's like chocolate milk. I don't know what I didn't put enough of.
And people do it with instant coffee. I'm not sure it's supposed to be true.
No, you can do it with instant hot chocolate too.
But Nesquik is an instant.
Yes, it is. Put in.
Swiss Miss is instant because it comes with milk inside of it. That's just chocolate powder with sugar. Dummy.
Should I try it again?
Yeah, do it.
Fine, I'm gonna try it again. Okay, we're trying it again, but this time we're actually gonna use Swiss Miss like the girl used in the video. too liquidy now.
Take that out. Definitely just way too liquidy.
Sneak peeks! It's just a bunch of bubbles. Take whisks. My patience has run out. It doesn't look like the girls, and I don't think it's ever gonna. All right, I'm gonna call this a fail, but I'll drink it like this. All right, guys, so we don't have macaroni or Oreos, so I can't make the Oreo mug cake or the macaroni. So I'm just gonna wait till when we do get those, and then I'll make it on that day. Hey guys, so it's the next day. There's actually a few days later, if I'm being honest. We're gonna be making that Oreo mug cake that's really popping off because all you need is Oreos and milk and a mug. I have my Oreos. I have my Oreos here and then some milk. I feel like he put like 8 to 10 in his cup, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'll do 9 because that this is a pretty big mug and that like filled it up. So I put 9 in there, and then you're supposed to fill it halfway with milk. Okay, I think that's halfway. Got some close-up shots here. I think that's halfway filled. And it's supposed to be like a battery consistency, and you're supposed to mash it with a fork. Oh shoot. This is kind of satisfying. I kind of just want to eat this plain because I love Oreos and milk. I love when the Oreos get like all soft. I think, once again, I put too much milk. I really cannot stop being so bad at everything. It's one of my hidden talents. Actually, I think that looks exactly correct. That kind of looks like a chocolate cake mix. I'm gonna put her in for 75 seconds. I don't really know how to use this because I never really used the microwave that often. There's a way to open it, I know. Sorry, this is one of my lowest points. I need to ask my sister how to open the microwave. I'll be right back. Do you know how to open the microwave? Like, how do you just open it? So, there's a black button right here. For 75 seconds. It's still like really liquidy. I think it needs to cook longer. So I'm gonna put it in for another like 30 seconds, I think. So I took the cake out of the thing. It still looks a little wet, but I don't think it's gonna cook anymore. Wow. First thing I can say is it's like really dense. It looks a lot like regular cake, and it tastes like cakey too. I think it needs ice cream. Hey guys, what's up? So it's been another few days because I made that mug cake and then my camera battery ran out of battery and then it got too dark for me to film it. So basically that mug cake, I thought it was good at first, like it was really dense and nice like a cake, and then it just got too sweet. I would make like less of it if I were to do it again. I think I just made too much, so maybe that's just me. I just thought it was a little too sweet. So now we're gonna be doing the microwavable mac and cheese. So all you need to make this recipe is some pasta, some milk, and shredded cheese. Oh, and salt. Okay, I'm not trying to make too much because my mom is actually getting lunch right now and I'm just eating before lunch. So I'm gonna do half cups of everything. I'm gonna do a half a cup of macaroni and half a cup of water. And then a little bit of salt. I'll put a little bit of pepper in too, just because quirky. So and then it says microwave for 4 minutes. Okay, so if I did half of everything, and if it's 1.5 cups, it's 0.75 cups. It's just messy. It's really messy. I'm using 1/2 of a 1/2 cup. I need 1/2 cup and then half of a half cup. We love math. The girl in the videos looks super cheesy though, so I think I'm just gonna add like a half cup of cheese. I don't need it to be all cheese. I prefer a bit like liquidy mac and cheese. And that's where the problems all began. Shredded cheese. Ooh, it's ready. I don't know if you guys can see, but like the pepper is like all around the like rim of the bowl. So I'm doing 1/8 cup of milk. And then you put in the cheese. Then you're supposed to mix it. Scrumptious. And then you put it back in the microwave for a minute. So I'm gonna go do that. Guys, I think this is about to be like super great. It's like super stringy. It's like super creamy. I'm really excited to try it. It's really hot though, so. This is a good quick mac and cheese. This is really good. The only thing I will say, because I'm a food critic, shredded cheese may not be the best cheese for this. I think if I had just used the classic like American, that would be good because that's what my mom usually uses to make mac and cheese, so I think that would be better. So this one's a 10 out of 10, I really like it. So that is going to be it for my TikTok recipes control my life video. No. So that's gonna be it for my trying TikTok recipes video. If you guys liked it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more videos from me. I'm gonna clean this all up right now because I made a mess. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. I think, you know what I'm about to say? I think even Gordon would be proud of this one. I'll just leave it at that.
Don't get me wrong, when I wake in the morning, all of these feelings are gone. Why the space, you know how to do it just right.